Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey. We just finished up a single car garage with 4-inch baseboard. Just finished putting the top coat down. Everything is done. This garage actually gave me a couple of problems with the grind. There was some membrane on the floor, rubberized membrane that we had to get off. So that was a little bit of a battle, but we got it off. Got down the concrete so we could get a good adhesion with the epoxy. This is a full chip broadcast of Domino. So we incorporated this step up into the house, into the floor. And what we did here was there was a coating on the floor, so we kind of followed suit and stopped where it was. But what I did was I top coated this lip going out into the driveway so that we would really get a good seal on all the epoxy and all the chips, and there wouldn't be any tire pickup.